back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you girl for clicking on this video. So we are doing a full face of Colourpop. Finally, Colourpop came out with some new products and your girl was late to the party. And y'all, I'm looking at y'all with a little side eye because y'all didn't even let me know. But it's all good. We trying some new products that I haven't tried. I think they revamped a few of their products that they had in the past. And that's how your girl created this look. Okay. So if you want to see how I created this look using Colourpop products, keep on watching. So I'm gonna talk about these new products first as we are priming the skin. My face is already moisturized. I've already did the eye. If you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, make sure you check out my last video for Fallback Friday. And if you don't know what Fallback Friday is, it is a series here on my channel where I just pull out some old eyeshadow palettes or makeup products and just do a makeup look using those products. We don't always have to, you know, spend our coin on the new stuff. Some of our old stuff that's right in our collection still work just as well, just like this eyeshadow look. So this is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid. This is one of my favorite hydrating primers. So that is that. Foundation. The foundation I'm using is still a part of the Pretty Fresh line. This is the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation. I have it in the shade medium dark 147W. I get a lot of compliments when I wear this foundation. It's super flawless and lightweight on the skin. And I'm just going in with a damp sponge. I like to use damp sponges to apply my foundation. Y'all, this nice weather is amazing, but my allergies is saying something else. It's been nice the past few days and my allergies are like, girl, don't even try it. You better go back in the house. Well, now going in with the concealer. This is the Pretty Fresh concealer in the shade medium dark 120. I love this concealer. I use it every day. This is my everyday concealer. This is actually my second or third tube, maybe second tube. I use it to carve out my brows. I use it on days where I'm just wearing powder, like that no makeup look. Colourpop got a few new items that I'm super excited to try to get to. So let me go ahead and blend this out. And because this is more of a like hydrating type of line, it's very hydrating and moisturizing, I try to let the concealer dry down a little bit before I go ahead and blend it out. As you can see, it gives a nice filtered look, very even, and like coverage as well. So you can always allow your concealer to like sit on your skin a little bit, maybe find something else to do, maybe figure out what you're doing with your eyes or something like that, because it gives more coverage and you don't have to add as much product under the eye to the point where it's being cakey or it's going to start breaking up and stuff like that. So before it actually starts breaking up under my eyelids, because I just have that naturally creasing under my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and set it. So Colourpop has a no filter setting loose setting powder. This shade is in Banana and I was just like, hold on sis, I didn't even know they had new loose setting powder. So this is what it looks like. If you know, the original no filter setting powder came in a container like this, and I purchased this one when it first came out so long ago in translucent, and this is the new container in Banana. This is the new container setting powder, loose setting powder. So I'm intrigued to see how this is going to work because I was not really a fan of this. It definitely was more mattifying. I'm not sure what this one is going to do. Let's see if it doesn't say anything on the box. It just says a no filter setting loose setting powder. So maybe they just revamped it. So I'm excited. This is what it looks like. And I'm gonna put that on here like that. Take off the excess by tapping it on my hand. Press that into the skin. I actually could have went lighter because this is actually my skin tone. I could have went lighter, but I was scared, y'all. I was scared, okay? But off the like break, this is nice. It is actually, it definitely is like a smooth like it says, filtered look. It definitely is a filtered look. And so since I want to make it a little bit brighter, so I'm just going to put a little bit of this old one on here since it is a much lighter tone. I think the formula is definitely better than the original. But I just wanted it to be a little bit, you know, brighter under the eye. But this banana powder one, this new one they have, is nice. But this is what it looks like, just me setting my under eye. I probably could use this all over the face. But for all over the face, we're gonna go in with the Colourpop Pretty Fresh pressed face powder, and I have it in medium dark 16. And this is what this packaging looks like if I can get it open. And I've used this before and I felt like, it was okay. I didn't see nothing. It was definitely, it just set everything in place as it should. Okay. Now the next new item is the Colourpop Cheek Palette, Such a Rush. I knew nothing about this. This is actually a like a quad like palette, cheek palette. It has a highlighter, a bronzer, and 2 blushes. So this is what the outside of the package looks like. I ain't hear nobody talk about this. And so I saw it in Ulta and I said, you know what? We're gonna do a whole face of Colourpop. I haven't seen this before. So I'm excited to try this because I don't have any Colourpop bronzers or anything like that. The other one that I did have was the sheer press powder, the no filter sheer press powder, and I had this in deep dark just so I can use it as a bronzer. This old one, same collection as the first one, and it looked like this. I can't remember if this was too, girl, I can't remember. I think it was too cool. I'm gonna try this bronzer out. This would be perfect for traveling if you like all of these in here. And I'm gonna kind of like sculpt my face out a bit. This bronzer is a bit deep. It actually has like a red undertone to it. So we're gonna go light on this. I like the colors. It's definitely something different because I'm so used to my bronzers being more of a warm tone, but I don't know. Let's try this highlighter out. So this is a creamed type. Like I said, it definitely reminds me of their Super Shock highlighters. So let's try this. Actually, I'm gonna use my hand. To like go on top of that on the cheeks, I am gonna go in with the Colourpop Loose Powder Highlighter in Pose. You guys know that this is one of my favorite highlighters. I use this every day. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. And I have to say, I do like this no filter loose setting. The new one, I like the new one. The old one, we can mix it in. This little quad thing here, I think the only thing about this, they didn't have a shade that was a little bit lighter than this that would fit my skin tone. The next jump was like for more like a lighter medium tone, if that makes sense. And then it was for fair skin. So I felt like it was just 3 options for these quads. If they put more undertones and more quads for this for different undertones of skin tones, I think I could find another one that could work. This one is definitely, like, this is the deepest one and was supposed to be for deeper skin tones, but it was a little more red undertone for the bronzer part, and I wasn't a fan of that. Like, these are nice for a good blush, but if you are a deeper skin tone, I'm not sure how this will pull on your skin tone. So keep that in mind when you're looking at these quads. I don't know if it was just that my Ulta only had 3 of these. Y'all let me know down below. Maybe Colourpop has more on their website. I'll have to check that out. Other than that, I love the entire Pretty Fresh line by Colourpop. It's one of my favorite go-to everyday makeup products that I do gravitate towards the most. So that is what I created here on today. If you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, make sure you check that video out. I'm not sure if this one will be out first or that one, but Nevertheless, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. It helps your girl out if you enjoy makeup videos and creating fun looks. Till next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.